Hello guys, what's up? My name is Mr.Roy Sebastian, and today some things but it's like there because I don't want to disturb everything. So now we be going to blow up this happy birthday balloons. It's like 12 inches, and because of that even sometimes it's very good for time. So at least we gotta do. So before I make blow up this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and turn on notification to subscribe, guys. If you guys didn't know what to do, tell me on comment section below if you subscribe. And also check out my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, like feature only YouTubers in #1. Like my video, obviously. So now we're gonna test in scientist. Because why are we going to scientist for that? Why are we going to scientist? Because you know what? I'm gonna blow it balloon. Now his face is so much clear. Here we go. So now we're going to balloon this one. This is a red balloon. Blue balloon. It's like happy birthday. But we're gonna try this to pop the balloon as well. See about that. Here we go. Please don't try at this home. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Wow, it's sometimes bigger. Whoa! Ow! Oh my god, that was bigger. That's not scary, this is like pop this clear. Let's go in the clip. Slow motion, guys. Wow! It's sometimes bigger. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, wow. Wow! Yeah, so this is the kind balloon pops and some guy's epic. But I saw that becomes so good. I think it's very good time now. It's very good. But it's cool. The happy birthday. But this balloons is kinda, it's like 16 inches for something. This is something about 60 inches. I believe in that. This sometimes I could blow it balloon. It's scientist. So now in this time we're going to blow it red balloon happy birthday. So it's got 60-inch balloons of a cortex, and I don't know. I'm going to pop and see what happens if I pop. Here we go. Don't try this at home, okay? Oh yeah! Oh my god! Yeah! This is good about the popping balloon. Let's go in the clip. Slow motion. This is very good. guys, this is a bonus 3 when I blow a balloon. I'm gonna try this everyone. Let's go. This is a happy birthday balloon. Some kinds of like print cortex. It's just like 16 inches for that. Yeah, I think I might go for that, but it's very good for that. Some kinds epic, but I blow as much as I fast as I can because sometimes. So here we go. Don't try this at home, okay? That's fresh. Oh my god, it's really good. Wow. Let's go in clip. Slow motion. That's fresh. Wow, that's much to get there. That was loud. I don't believe that the people person but neighbors are coming away. So yeah, this time I popped the. This is one bigger, but that was epic. That was epic, the balloon. But I have to pick all this stuff for that this time. As you can see, this is a balloon. Happy birthday, and from the bigger, it's some kind bigger, but as Tamsley said, this is a worst. This is pro. It's free, just like Cortex. I just want the scientists to pop the balloon as much as I can. So we're going this. Here we go. And this time we see pop so much kind of balloons. We don't believe that this is epic. I don't even see that. But as some guys look at that, this is only yeah, it's on much kind. See, we pop the balloon. Just a little pop the balloon. This sometimes I blow a balloon about that. Why about that I blow a balloon? Because I test the balloon. But sometimes I believe I pop the balloon as well. But I myself happiness for that. Yeah, blah blah blah. You know. And this time, this happy birthday print in Cortex, just like that, bigger, so much kind bigger. Look at this. This is my camera pick, make it pop. And this printer from purple balloon, just like that. Look at that, make it pop. That was kind. It's not the jerk for that. Yeah, I don't think it was much in the game. But I think it's so much good for that balloon. This is like balloon. It's kind of good for the balloon priceless. So if you find the store or whatever it is, you can find the store if you which means a lot USA or Malaysia, whatever you do, just you blow a balloon. But this is sometimes it's dangerous. So I don't believe it's too much kind dangerous. But this is instant, man. Guys, this is a pro, man. I love that so much balloon. I feel so happy this balloon's power. I pop this like that. So yeah, that's my ending my video, guys. I hope you thank you so much for watching on this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and turn on notification on the spot, guys. Because they know what you do. Tell me on comment section below if you subscribe it. And also there is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You check it out, follow Instagram for that. Like future only YouTubers in #1. Asan. But I don't. So yeah, this is I don't want to prove it because we are launching a social media. You have to need to subscribe because 124 subscriber. I was so really happy for that comment. We saw so much in the comment for that. So that's why I love so much of balloon. I love so much of Baguette. Thank you so much to people like me doing that. So sometimes I can't do. So obviously this is so much I'm happy. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Woo!